Welcome to Alimosho, the largest community in Lagos, Nigeria. Home to over 2 million residents and many underprivileged families and communities. Right here in this community, there is a non-profit organization working tirelessly to empower underprivileged children and youth with quality education and skills to break from poverty and compete on a global scale. Since 2013, this organization has implemented over 10 transformative projects impacting over 10,000 lives. What really sets them apart is their unique, holistic and community-centered approach to combating educational inequality. CAIN Center, sir. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is May Ogenerikemiasagba, and I'm the founder and CEO of this prominent non-profit organization catering to Africans in need. Welcome to our Educational Resource Center in the heart of Alimosho. This is one of our most notable accomplishments. This facility is open 6 times a week and offers variety of educational services for free. Did I mention it's all free? Yes, I did. So here is our newly established Digital Skills Lab. Thanks to our wonderful donors at Microsoft and Google, we were able to set up this new space, purchase some laptops, and hire a full-time ICT instructor. Yes, that's Mr. Joseph, who is empowering our children with digital skills. In addition, we offer free tutorial services by expert tutors who are highly trained and passionate about teaching. We also have a library where we're giving many underprivileged students a conducive environment to study. In here, there's no noise, no heat, and no one is sending them on errands. And best of all, we have free access to books that they typically cannot afford. In addition, we offer career enrichment programs to expose underprivileged students to a vast array of career opportunities and also to provide guidance so that they reach their full potential. We've had the likes of Toye from Microsoft, Disha from Harvard School of Public Health, David from African Leadership University, and Olivia, a product manager from Washington, D.C. So you see, we've had numerous experienced and highly proficient professionals from different parts of the world. I've said a lot, right? I hope I'm not boring you. But guys, to address educational inequality in underserved communities requires a comprehensive approach and all hands on deck. So how can you support us? You can help us organize a fundraiser to finish equipping our Digital Skills Lab with all the equipment that we need. You can also sign up to be a mentor because many of these children need mentorship. You can also volunteer to host a career enrichment program. Come and talk to our kids about the career that you're currently in. Last but not the least, you can also sign up to be a monthly donor. With your monthly donations, you can help underprivileged students in Alimosho continuously enjoy all these amazing educational services that we provide for free. Join us today and let's together impact the next generation. Bye.